Hello everyone, how are you doing today? This is Steven with Divine Mobile Home Central. Today we are out at Family Dream Homes in Christmas, Florida. In today's video, we are going to be touring the Mystery Single Wide. Now this is a Fleetwood home. Now I was not able to get a lot of information at the dealer because this home is already sold. And also, the dealer will also be discontinuing this single wide home. So I was not able to get a lot of information on it. But according to the website, I did some online searching, and this home is called the Kingstree. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom single wide. But this is definitely by Fleetwood Homes, and it's also in a Westfield Classic series. So if you're new here, I encourage you to like, subscribe, and comment. Now let's take a beautiful walkthrough tour of this single wide. A real quick disclaimer before starting the walkthrough tour. I do not work for the manufacturer or dealer of this home. I record these videos because I love touring these homes, and I love sharing my personal opinion of all the homes that I view. If you have any additional questions about final pricing or specifications for this manufactured home, both the dealer and manufacturer's website links as well as dealer's info will always be down in the description box below. Now let's continue the video. Alright, so we are entering the Kingstree. Now again, this home has already been sold, so congratulations to the new homeowner. So let's take a walkthrough tour of this home. You are greeted with your living room. Now this is an open concept. This will be open to the kitchen / dinette area. Now I tried to look on the floor plan online, but it was very difficult to see the sizings of the rooms, so I didn't want to put the wrong information as far as sizing in this video, so we're just going to leave it blank for this video. But definitely check it out for yourself. I will put the link of the floor plan for this home in the description box. So of course, it's your living room. You have your wood flooring, vinyl flooring. You have your entertainment center right there. Put like a flat screen TV right there. You can hang it on the wall, or you can just sit it right there. You know, it's whatever you want to do. Or if you don't like that space, you can opt to not have it there at all. So again, it's your living room. And then I think I might have showed you and there's your transom window over there as well. And of course, this home will have the AC vents in the ceilings throughout the entire home. Now, like I said again, this home will be discontinued at this dealer's lot, but I imagine you could order it at other places. But definitely check your local area if you're interested in this home. Okay, so this is the kitchen area. You have your center island right here. You put your like 3 bar stools. You have your stainless steel sink. Very nice sink. You also have your gooseneck faucet along with your spray hose. You have your stainless steel dishwasher here, and I also want to give you guys a good feel for the space underneath the kitchen sink. You know, again, congratulations to this person that purchased this home. You know, whoever purchased this home, guess what? This home is just right for them. It's perfect for them. So congratulations to the new homeowner. So this kitchen has a stainless steel appliance package. You have your Whirlpool stainless steel appliances. You also have your recessed lighting as well. So that's very neat about this single wide. This single wide has recessed lighting in the kitchen. You don't see that very often, you know, in single wide manufactured homes. You have your drawer space. So you have plenty of drawer space. I love this hood frame right here. Instead of having your traditional hood frame, you have your wooden hood frame. And of course, there's spaces above there for your spice collection or your seasonings. Space up there, you can put like little accessories or, you know, decorations or decor. And right here you have your little mini pantry space. So you have a little small pantry space right there. Get you all a sample of that. How's everyone doing today? I hope you're all having a wonderful, fantastic day. Okay, so let's check out the rest of the home here. So you have your hallway. Of course, there's your AC thermostat, but you know me, I would purchase an Ecobee thermostat and install it right there. I'm not sponsored by Ecobee, it's just something that I would love to add. I love their products. Okay, so you have your window in your hallway, so bring in lots of natural light in your hallway. So here's your first bedroom. Very decent amount of space in this bedroom. I would use this as my office space. Right here be your closet space. Very adequate size closet space. So right here be your second bedroom. Now, according to the floor plan that I saw online, you can actually opt for a 2-bedroom if you wanted to. But this particular model is the 3-bedroom layout. Your closet space over there. Now, you may notice that some of the seams are, like popped out. But you have to realize, when the home is being moved to its location from the factory, sometimes you have to realize it's moving on the highway, so sometimes stuff pops loose. But don't worry though, any issues like that will always be taken care of once the home gets to its permanent location of its new owner. But believe it or not, if this was regular sheetrock, this would no, I take that back. This is actually sheetrock, but it's not the full sheetrock. But if this home had full sheetrock, it would have been a better chance of the walls getting cracked because of the homes moving down the highway. But this allows it to flex a little bit, so it's very easy fix. So like I said, any issues with this will always be taken care of. Just rest assured. Alright, so that was your second bedroom. So here is the hallway guest bathroom. Right there you have your mirror and your sink. Have your light switch and your plug-in outlet. And I like the fact that Fleetwood provided a towel rack for your towels. Have your commode right there. And of course right here you have your full fiberglass tub and shower combo. Another good look at this guest bathroom. Alright you guys, so let's go check out the rest of the house. Let's check out the utility room area and as well as the master bedroom. But before we continue further, here is your space right here for your dinette set, for your little dining room set. So if you have like a little 4-table or you know, 4-seater table or 2-seater, it'll work perfectly for this space. Or if you don't care for a dining room set, you can always use the bar with bar stools. So right there you have your electric box panel. Here's your utility room space. Space for your washer and dryer hookup right there, or washer and dryer. Right here be your AC and heating for your home. So this is your central heat and air for your home. Of course, right there, there's your back door. So your back door will be located by your master bedroom. Let's check out the master bedroom. So this is your master. There's plenty of space in this master bedroom. You could definitely put like a king size bed in here. You could, you know, put you a couple of you know, end tables or nightstands. You can also fit a you know, a dresser with a mirror also. You can also put you like an accent chair in the corner as well. You know, that's what I would definitely do. But you know, it's whatever you want to do. So again, you know, that's preference. So it's all about preference. There's so much that you can do with this space in the master bedroom. Again, you have your vents in the ceilings throughout the home. Alright, so here's your master closet. It's not the largest master closet I've ever seen, but it's very decent for this space. You have your wood vinyl flooring in your master closet. And of course you have your light right there, so that's a plus. And then of course you would have your labels right there that come with the home. It tells you more about the wind zones and all that good stuff. So, yep. And then of course you have your wire rack shelf. So, and of course, what I would do, I would bring it all the way over there to maximize space. So right here be your water heater be right there behind this access panel. Very adequate size closet space. Alright, so let's check out your master bathroom. Let's see what the master bathroom looks like. Very nice master bathroom. You have your vanity sink right here. You also have storage underneath your sink. So I really love the countertop of the master bathroom sink. Very nice. You would have your mirror right there. Hello, there's me. So very nice storage space. You also have your recess light above your sink area, so that's a plus. Of course, again, you would have your towel rack right there. I love how they provide the towel racks. You know, most manufacturers don't, so usually you have to get your own, but I like the fact that Fleetwood provides that. Alright, so here's your storage space for your master bathroom. Right, you have your vertical transom window above the commode. Lets in lots of natural light. You also have a toilet paper or bathroom tissue holder they also provide that as well. So there's plenty of natural light in this bathroom overall. Alright, let's check out the master bathroom garden tub and shower combo. This is definitely in shape of a garden tub. Lots of space in this tub. And I love the fact that it's full fiberglass too. Very easy to keep clean and very easy to maintain. All you have to do is simply wipe it down. Of course, you also have a horizontal transom window over your bathtub area. So that's just very nice. Have lots of natural light in this room. Lots of natural light in this bathroom overall. Very nice. Alright you guys, well that will conclude the tour of this home. If you are new here, I invite you to join our family by subscribing. And don't forget to get that thumbs up, it will definitely help with the algorithm of this channel. And please feel free to drop a comment below. This is Stephen with Divine Mobile Home Central. You all have a wonderful day.